Good morning guys, happy Sunday. Last Sunday everyone. It's day 13 na tayo guys. Hindi ako makatulog masyado kasi may dinadamdam ako ngayon. Parang yung tummy ako. Ewan, parang bumabalik yung sakit ko way back 2023. Yun, sumasakit yung tiyan ko. Hindi sumasakit, parang bloated ba ako. So, kailangan mataas lagi yung unan ko. Kailangan ko siyang, naramdaman ko na to last time, mas grabe nga nung movie. Kasi, hindi ako nagpa-doktor mo.
In Psalm 145, so Psalm 103, the main chapter we will be looking at, in Psalm 145, are some of the Psalms David wrote in his latter years. He's older, he's about to pass on the throne to his son, Solomon. So I want you to put yourself in David's shoes so this becomes real for all of us. He's been an adulterer. He's seen God forgive him. He's been running away, right? So much stuff, if you remember the stories. So here he is now, looking back, and here's what he says. I will exalt you, my God, the King, and I will bless your name just today during worship service. Is that what it says? Does he say, I'll do it when I feel good? Is that what it's saying? He says, I will bless you forever and ever. In fact, he says every day. Can everybody say every day? Look at the person beside you, say every day. Every day, the Bible says we must bless the Lord. Bless the Lord always. This
Welcome to my guys. It's day 13 na tayo. So, dito tayo ngayon sa main road. Dito tayo sa main road. Here we go. Dito ako ngayon sa main road. It's Sunday. Here we go. Nandito tayo sa Narrow Bridge. Yan, sa Narrow Bridge tayo. Isang tao lang talaga dito guys. Super narrow lang talaga siya. Yung dalawa. Diyan sa baba guys, yan ang running area at saka biking area. Doon ako nangwaling kami. Pero yun, dito tayo sa pinaka. Sorry guys, this is the Alexandra Hospital. This is a taxi and main entrance, Argentine. 24 hours. So ayan nga guys, nasa likod lang kami ng bahay namin itong hospital na to. So dito yung entrance and exit. Ito. 24 hours anytime fitness din dito guys. Anytime fitness. This is the night view during the night. Lakad-lakad lang, exercise, pastime. After the work, you can always go here for pastime. nandito tayo, maglalakad. Tayo dito sa medyo malayo na rin yung lakad natin. Paanti lang yard. Ayan, everyday tayo maglalakad guys. Para makit natin yung 10,000 step. Mapaaraw or araw at gabi. Walang nakikita ang paglalakad. Pauwi na tayo guys. Hindi pinapawisan na ako ngayon. Pauwi na tayo.